Bueno, estamos aquí con Paul Wildeboer, que es el actual director técnico de la Federación Danesa de Natación y actualmente responsable de toda la natación danesa. Vamos a preguntarle un par de cositas. Él habla perfectamente español, para los que nos conozcan, pero vamos a promocionarlo un poquito en inglés. Así que, hello Paulus.
Hello, Jody.
How are you doing?
Everything okay.
Okay, thank you for joining us. Thank you for sharing with you your experience and all your such long experience. And just to know a little bit more about your experience as a coach, many people know that you, before coming to Denmark, you have been all your life as a Spanish coach, being in clubs like Sabadell and Barcelona, and also part of the national coach, part of the national coach team in Spain. And because of this, you have been in many training camps all around the world. And some of them have been in Canary Islands, and especially in Gran Canaria. Can you tell us a little bit about what training in Canary Islands or training in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria is, and your experience with what did you do?
So the good thing about going on training camp in Gran Canaria is of course the climate, which gives you almost security about having a very nice and relaxed environment.
For sure.
And that's what many high performance swimmers look for. They not only need a place to train in good conditions with a lot of space and flexibility, but they also need a relaxed environment. Because normally the demands of the club programs or the national team programs are high demanding, and then when you go on training camp you would like to have relaxed environment, and that's some guarantee in Gran Canaria.
Yeah. How many times have you been in Gran Canaria?
Many times, but also for competition, not only for training camp.
Nah, that's for sure. But I remember the last time you were with the training camp, you were with the pre-Olympic stage with your son, Ashton Wildeboer.
So that was one of the, I would say, key training camps in the preparation for the Olympic Games, because we needed a place where we were sure that we had the conditions I talked about before. A very nice hotel next to the facility, and I would say the most important thing which we had there was the flexibility to do the program we wanted to do, to make it happen in the right moment, because that's also something fundamental if you look for the best result, that you can once in a while shift a little bit the training up and down because you need more recovery or you want to do special things.
Yeah.
That's all possible in Metropole because you have so much water.
Yeah, good. Would you recommend to all the teams to try at least once in a life to go to Gran Canaria?
Yeah, I think that, you know that I like altitude training, so I spent quite a lot of my life in altitude, but that's special conditions. If you don't need altitude, you want to do sea level training camp, for sure you have to try Metropole, because that's one of the better places.
Well, thank you very much, Paulus, for being with us.